Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free DFIR course with the certificate. DFIR is that Digital Forensic and Incident Response. This is the hands-on lab, real world case files, 100% free certificate and 8 hours plus training is there. The provider is the Blue Cap Security. So we'll go through the step-by-step process on that. So here master digital forensic incident response for the free with the comprehensive training from the Blue Cap Security. Learn SOC operation, incident response and other things just like disk forensic. So more enough to hands-on the demonstration down downloadable files, case files, and knowledge assessment. This free course includes approximately 8 hours of training and certificate for completion of this assessment. This is the course link. We'll open this one, and topics cover is that digital forensic fundamental incident response, SOC, threat, memory, and PCAP, Splunk, and DFIR career and free security training. So like, share, and subscribe for the more cybersecurity and ethical hacking. SOC, this one DFIR, Blue Team, and digital forensic tutorial. We'll go through the link. When we'll open this link, this will be the page, and DFIR Foundation with the techniques, and this is the price is free. Login to enroll. So course detail will be there, free DFIR investigation series, and all the details you can find. And finally, you will get a certificate will be looks like this. And if you go to the material, there is a course duration, 8 hours of video content, lab requirements is there, tools cover is there. These are the tools they are using, and knowledge assessment details. So domain knowledge and other things are there. So this is the content detail, and the when we'll log in, so there is option to log in. So this is the page. If you are the first time user, go to the sign up and provide your detail and continue. You'll get a activation link. After login, you'll get this page. So this is the already I have completed DFIR foundation and techniques. So after you learning this one, you will find a certificate. So I'm going through the material again. So here you can find expand all, and all the details you can find here. So all the course detail, and in finally there is a step by step you have to complete all the things, and there is a quiz. So knowledge assessment is very important, and all the steps you have to complete, then only they will provide the certificate. So click on the knowledge assessment. So there is a start quiz option is there. You have to start the quiz and you have to give the all the answers. So after that you will get this one. So now I'm going back. So here, if after finishing everything, you will get a this link. So download a certificate. So click on the download certificate. So you will find a certificate. So Blue Cap Security certificate of completion. This certified that your name will be there, and DFIR Foundation and Technique course, professional skills and readiness, and there is sign. Total is 1 hour 19 minutes in this second, and total hours and is 8. So this is the exam time they are showing, and July 12, 2026. So all the details you can find with the certificate. So we'll go through the step by step all the process, and topics cover already we have done. And disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. No copyright violation intended. For copyright concern, you can send me mail on this email address. You can support me YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. And do you have any question, then drop them into the comment box. Like, share, and comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.